guys, so today we're going to AIRSHOW. It's gonna be at Abbotsford International Airport and it's kind of expensive, so hopefully it's really good. We're gonna meet a bunch of friends there as well with their kids, so hopefully Brandon will cooperate. See you guys later. Bye. We also got this baby earmuff. The brand is Vans. We got it from Baby Square. It cost us about $45. It's really cute. It's blue. He loved it at first, but later on he refused to wear it. But we still glad that we got it because the AIRSHOW was really loud. Kenapa mukanya bete banget?
Because it rains every day. I know you're not fine when you say you're okay. So follow me and we'll find something more than this light. 'Cause I love the nighttime.